Windows has new security flaw, and it's already been exploited. You could be infected with malware just by downloading a file, as File Explorer will automatically open the file and preview it. Microsoft announced this security hole on March 23, 2020. Microsoft says it's aware of limited targeted attacks that uses flaws in Adobe Type Manager library. There are multiple ways an attacker could exploit vulnerability, such as convincing a user to open specialty crafted document or viewing in a Windows preview pane, according to Microsoft Security Advisor. The flaw affected all versions of Windows in active use: Windows 10, 8.1, Windows 8, Windows 7, and of course various versions of server. And if you are still using Windows 7 and if you're not paying for security updates, most likely you're not going to get security patches. Microsoft is working around the fix and expected to be available next Patch Tuesday, that is April the 14th of 2020. So this is about 3 weeks from now. Until then, Microsoft offers workaround that will protect your PC from the security flaw. To work around the flaw, all you have to do is to disable preview and add detail panes in a File Explorer. Windows won't automatically display preview of OTF font file, which will protect you. You could still be attacked if you open malicious file. However, simply viewing the file in a File Explorer won't be at risk. So to do that, first what we have to do, we have to open File Explorer. And in the File Explorer, we have to click on a View tab. And right here, make sure Detail is selected. And you have to make sure none of this Preview pane or Detail pane is selected. For example, if it's going to be selected, it's going to look like this. It's going to be highlighted. And in this area, you will see select the file to preview. And the same thing for details. Make sure it's not highlighted and make sure you don't see any extra windows split in your windows right here on the right. So make sure all this is unhighlighted. Then one more thing we need to do, we need to click on Options. And then in here, in this window, we need to click on the View tab. And we have to put a check mark next to Always Show Icon and Never Thumbnails. And then we need to click Apply and OK. Once you do that, you should be good. There is one more thing Microsoft is recommending to do. What we need to do, we need to open Services. To do that, either we can just click on Start and type Services and click Services app, or if you just click on Windows key and R and type right here Windows Services.msc and then click OK, and this window is gonna open up. And right here we need to find a web client and we need to disable it. So we'll just have to look for a web client. See right here, double click on it. If it's running, make sure you stop, and right here change from manual, or if it's set to automatic, click to disable and then click Apply and OK. And if you do these steps, you should be fine for now from this vulnerability, unless you actually gonna click and open infected file yourself. Now we just have to wait until April the 14th for the security patches, but if you do the following steps, you should be fine. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.